briefly about the state of the internet in India, because we believe that the internet has actually now reached critical mass in India, and therefore has many implications for especially businesses that are trying to leverage the internet that's been built out over the last couple of years. So that's one. Second, what I'd like to do is tell you a little bit about what are consumers doing online, especially as it relates to commercial enterprise. So it's more, especially for those of you who are marketeers in the room, I think, or in sales or marketing, or you run businesses, that's going to be, hopefully you'll find some of that helpful. And then the last thing where I'll spend most of my time is really talking about 4 mega trends that we see both in the internet globally, as well as in India. One of them we've actually spent the whole day talking about, and I think after I'm done, you'll spend the rest of the day talking about, which is social. But I'll also talk about 3 other trends: video, mobile, and local. So those are the 4: video, mobile, local, and social. So that's really what I'm going to talk about. I think what you'll see me do is not talk about social until the very end. The intent is because I think we want to sort of bring the discussion up and give you more of a macro view of what's going on with the internet in India.